In the spring of 2007, Royal Hudson 2860 was again under steam for the first time in 7 years. The engine operated in April between Vancouver and White Rock. In this section, we also view the Armstrong Explorer at the Kamloops Heritage Railway with the 2141, as well as ex-Canadian National 6060 at Stettler on the Prairie Dog Central in September. 2008 promises to be another great year for Dominion Steam, so plan your visit now.
Okay, when we get over left flat here,
there's the Y. That's where
Now we switch to the Armstrong Explorer.
Maybe those of you around here, I'd like to give them a rendering of happy birthday in a moment or two. Once you've got your choral forces together.
Jason! There we are. There we go. Please go the other way. I got it out.
So, at 10 miles an hour, we are slowly but surely approaching.
Joe Naismith worked on the track gang on the west end of Canadian Pacific. He goes by the nickname CP Joe. A 482 bullet nose. This Canadian national beauty sat for many years on display in Jasper.
Bullet nose tip.